isa cia bilingi wa mauvo.
Ina wikwatio ni wethiwa na muthenya wa kwailani na ukethiana na utho chatu manithia thini wa bilingi wa mauvo mwendoni wa saa 3:30 na ni kati wa mauvo la tukumbanisya.
Ala tukumbanisye ni pamwe na
witi kuendea sipitalini wa Machakos level 5. Serikali yinenania na manasi. Ndindi Nyoro kukanya serikali ikathukumithia muvango wa enendi kuivia malelu manene. Amuika ngili 90 kukwata mauvundi sio mama utuika kivathukanyo kuola umo wa mawia. Na utongoi wa bodaboda Kibwezi kulika muthanga amwe maile amwene kivila mweo na kuatia ulona tuavo.
bilingi wa mauvo.
Nina udhocha taresia mwendeno kundethesia kunegerelia mauvo kwanzia ya meko nyeneta wa beti wa mwania tuyambililia mauvo metonikana maundu mawiti ukavani wa emergency na outpatient na umainde kunengano ya sibitali ni munene wa Machakos level 5 kuendana na ofisa munene wa muvia wa utheu na wima wa mwenende kauntini ya Masako Simon Simba Mwako. Serikali ya kaunti ya Masako niende kutoa isio nena na manasi kauntini ya Masako kumandha usungio wa thina ukwikithia nende maina nyama. Daniel Mongela na ilivoti.
Ainena na andiki mama vo sibitali ni munene wa Masako level 5 ofisa munene muveani wa utheu na wima wa mwi Simon Simba Mwako ni wanengane utheu konia maundu ma uiti undu maendele sibitali ni kundu kikivathukanyo ndawetekana alame utambuka kukwata uiti kana outpatient alame uvika kukwata uiti ni meuthiniki wa undu vailite nundu serikali ya kaunti ya Masako ngo utongwi wake gavana wa Vinyaneti ni manthie manasi maukwatie vinani mukomo wende na utaiwa nthi yonthe
na omunthi nenda okueta yolo wa hali tundu thile ba level 5 na masipitali na angi maito alamenthine wa county otondu mwisi kuma wa katano nurses maito ni methitwo mandate strike nundu wa maondo amwe alama nenda mekiwe na tuyela wakana strike ino yiba Masako bevoka ino ni national strike ila yetiwe ni national office na ta county itu ya Masako nitutatite undu batoneka tutate kwa address issues ila ifisite nurses maito ila ta serikali governor witu no sisi nesa bio yunenda nasi kana services nthini wa level 5 hospital ni siende nesa o unit wa mabaya outpatient ni mwana kubikia busa isu na imwana record kana umunthio awau manana ma 50 ni monekete na imwe wana ndakitali bumwene ayasya kana kwa muthenya twona awau mana thanthatu mathimo no mana thanthatu na 50 na taitu isa kenda na already awau mana ana na 50 ni monekete paya kwa cancer ni muona awau 40 na amwe ni menenia masya kana ni maundu meiwe kumela kuchete na awau 40 ni kuona ni kana services siendete nenda andu maitu ma Masako mwelewe kana ila woka ba level 5 outpatient no kwata services yonthe nesa tono na kutwika nurses ni ma strike ite undola to regret muno ni kana payo thukumi utekwata tondo ila pa 90 ni twosie nurses ya mwala me thukuma ni locum on 24 hours na wa maito ni maende no kwata oteje kuma balabe nurses yasu
wengi Simba Mwako ni wongela kuelesya uiti nthini wa ward niwo ulikililwe ni mukomo ula wende na utaiwa nthi yonthe indi ni maende na kwikia kithito na kwikithia kana vaina muwo unathinika kana kunyama ingenda gweta kana unenani ni wende nikienda kumantha usungi wa mukomo na manasi asuku sioka wiani tatene
kila kwenda kuhakikishia no maito mama sa kunikana issue ya ndawa yu tila tunekala tukegwa masipitali maito maina ndawa netwauma yu abaya pharmacy na itwona ndawa twina sio kwa wingi na twina thina wa ndawa yu bala twi ngavana no tatite undu batondeka ukesethe ndawa ni siapika masipitali ni maito onthe kila kinini twithe twina thina nacho kwa yu ni wondine na no nende kupetanga nzeke cia kana peano meoputiwa me hali itenzeo menuke musie mailie undu mailie ate ange mena oxygen na nikulia undu ni wila kwethiwa twi bandu tabata ta county twete mawoni maitu bamwe tuteulicha siasa maundu ni mauiti tondu la twalicha siasa wisa aithi ona mundu ungi wibayanza ni wakwatwa wia kana mundu eyoka sibitali kukwata uiti ni wambi okia andu maitu mwikethiwa na wia ukai sibitali ni mukundumiwa na otondu na asia no kanda imwe nthini wa strike alangi onthe abukumi me sibitalini kwa uba service utekwata para wondini okathina kala kanini katevo ni mwona ni tweni nginjite na season locum ni methwa maishughulikia awau maitu nthini wa mawondi
wonthe ukavina la ateti undu mwana atongo ime kivuthukanio ndeveni si kivuthukanio maende na ukulwa mavetange maundu ma uteti maundu ni meokonia uiti na utakana veamo mateti methitu mainaicha nzeke mitandaoni na kutea ene nthewia undu tumite matavika sivitalini. Daniel Mwankela, Mutungu TV, kuma kauntini ya Masako.
Ulona mwene kivila wanzama ya budget mbungeni na inge mbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro ni wakani serikali ikatete kuthukumithia muvango mweo wa kwivithia nende kutumia malelo manene makuma ilovi kuthisio ni siki wathukanyo ila ni tolling aiweta ki kithiwa keyo wa utandithia biasala na ukui koma milioni matandithia na enende. Benjamin Mwaka no kuelezea.
Ulona imwene kivilo wa budget mbungeni mujimbo wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro no akosoa nene muvango ula serikali ivanie kuthukumithia wa enende kuivia ila meutumia malelu manene alama ku na la serikali ivanie kwa kaisio ni kuthukanyo aiweta muvango withuwa na ukono munene kwa enende.
The Ministry of Roads now through KENHA is in the process of coming up with ways of tolling our roads or instituting charges on the usage of roads. And this may impact on the roads that are already built, but also on the projects that are in the pipeline to be built. Roads infrastructure plays a critical role, but we have to always look at the cost of usage of this infrastructure.
Aina ni anaandikima mauvova museni lopi kwenye mvango Nyoro no alumilelia kuivithia malelo kuidhua kuyamba changalama ya biasala ukui na kuvingesa maundu mawemi ya undu mwana utanithia kuma taoni makuthienge kindu kilani wasi muthei kwa kwatu kwanthe na enda muvyo wa kinandu humanthe nzienge siekava kwa kamalelo manene ite kuilela muyo muito kwa mwene nthi.
What we are basically doing is increasing the cost of doing business, because now the motorist will be made now to pay for the fuel, pay the road maintenance levy in the fuel, which they already pay, but on the side, they'll again be needed to pay an extra cost of using this road. And therefore, my take would be that the National Treasury and the government, they need to be a bit more creative in raising revenue to do critical infrastructure like we have done before, without necessarily doing experimentations that upon further analysis they seem to be reckless.
Kwangelekanyo nelelo munene wa kuma ilovi ngina na Nakuru oyu nguma wa Mau Summit ula President William Ruto na tangazo kwaka na muyumbe wa Kiharu wetu baga no tangazo wa serikali kana lelo uyako kuisila PPP ena muvoma kuikeka uyako na mbeza sia mwene ndi kuisila kinandu cha NSSF ubathukanu na meao.
And in the initial stage we are talking about close to 170 kilometers of road. Kenyans in the western part of Kenya deserve this road to be dualed, and they deserve this road to be upgraded. But it will not serve our economy when this road is packaged as a business model. In whatever we are calling PPPs, public-private partnerships, they are actually not private. They are mostly entirely public. We are just running away from responsibility and liability. Because we package a road as a PPP, but the main investor in that PPP is the National Social and Security Fund, is the NSSF. We have now gotten into a road where, and a slippery one for that matter, that anything consequential you see happening in Kenya is actually workers' money.
Vilingwa mauvo kwa bamusini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.
President William Ruto ni watangaza kana serikali ni vania kunenga mavundisyo wa mwaka manyiva ngili miongo kenda ala miaka toa miaka 18 na 19 kwikithia ni makwata mawia kivathukanya kuola muo wa mawia mwamanyisho methi wa ungua walanio wa amuika wa National Youth Opportunities ile kwitwa Nyota na ulaki lelo cha uone kuongela mawia kutonethia nthi kuiya na kusuvilovia kati wa maundu hangi. Caleb Chalo na mauvo.
Ainena cha thini cha kutania muthenya wa amuika kila chatoiwa kuye kaunti ya Kakamega. President Ruto nombula kana amuika ngili miongo kenda ala meno kuwa kati wa miaka 18 na miongo 29 ni methi wa maikwata mavundisyo mako matethesya kwambisya biasala sio tanzie mwa kulanga muo wa mawia.
Nyota is enrolling 90,000 young people in on-the-job training with applications currently open through the *254# financial inclusion platform until Friday, August 15th, which is coming Friday.
Enge President Ruto nombula kana amuika ngili miongo ili alame na umani na mautuika meke vathukanyo maundu meke vathukanyo na matena mavalua mama skulu ni methi wa mainengo mavalua aane kana methi we matona kukwata mawia alama mailite.
We will also certify 20,000 through the recognition of prior learning framework and help 190,000 young people join the NSSF Haba kwa Haba savings scheme. In every ward across Kenya, and I want you to listen to this carefully, 70 young entrepreneurs, 100,000, 110,000 in total, will each receive a grant of 50,000 shillings in startup capital under this program.
Mavundisyo amethwa maitwa iwe alanyo wa Nyota ulawi na kielelo cha kusevya mawia kuthuthia amuika kuyilovia na kwambisya biasala sya amuika.
Okay. We are now in 70%.
Kungene nayo mbunge nene ni vania kuemia mawendekethyo kauta kuma kwi makundi kivathukanyo makukwatanya amuika na myana ya mawia maki uvundi vaamusi na nthi syanza nzama ya mbunge ya uthukumi kana leba ila umunthio yako manane kundi ya bingwa ni aweta amuika oyume na mavundisyo na mautuika kivathukanyo na kila kitialite ni enenthi kunengwa wikithyo wa myana ya mawia itena useleke kana kivindu. Ikundi ya bingwa vamwe na National Labour Organization matavya mbunge kana amuika menda mausungio mauo kukanya myana ii ya mawia na nongi na muvango uu wa serikali ukatwikwa.
I'm very sure, honorable members, you have received so many calls from your constituents asking you, Mheshimiwa, unajua Nairobi inaweza vijana yangu kazi. Bingwa is their big brother. You might be having the best idea, which you can say our youth. We are here in prayer of our youth for employment. We are here for prayer of our people to get jobs.
One of the most important things is that the organization has a good the structure and the face of the organization. Somebody can trust. Because in Kenya, the challenge we have is that it's very difficult to present what they do and the practical work they do or the motives behind the scene is one of the biggest challenges with Kenya. But the good chair, as we have said, is that we now want to bring the cuts that are in your idea to make it better.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, the Lingi wa Mauvo.
Mithenya ili tuna wa nene maisi seki vathukanyo sia ukui wa mota musini wa Kibwezi kutoa isia usakuani na kusakua Richard Mulo Musyoka tawe mwene kivila mweo wa toi mamota sia bodaboda sokoni usu mwaniko wa toi mabodaboda ni wako siwa kuyumonthi hamwe matoi mabodaboda mayati ya mwene kivila mweo na angi mayatha na kutiwa mokoni Dennis Muthoka ulona tuye tawe mwene kivila usakuani utanamba kutoa iwa hainene tina wa kutoa isia miatenyo ya mugo sokoni usu wa Kibwezi na kambi yake mwene kivila mweo Richard Mulo Musyoka wa weta no kwambisia wia wakwa ili uthukumi wa toi mamota sia bodaboda sokoni usu kusila kuthukuma na tongo i alasa kue Mole Mulinge na ilivoti.
Nika vinane kalangaleka wa mwene kivila mwa watu ya ama bodaboda musino wa Kibwezi kaunti ya Makueni mato isia miatianeo ya muwa sokoni unzika yunisia kululumilia mausungi omosa kuwani ula watu yuwa thandatu muvitu. Balama ina nakamemeka ama kwa sote tiala medhitu maitumia mwene kivilo lona atuye Evo Dennis Mudhoka kwa nyatu ima bodaboda musini wa Kibwezi.
Nige ndugu kuona mundu temota na mundu raza kuwanando aenda kuithingiza ndini wono atenda dasi kindu kimwe ati maonya tumesikia kupea ndo yani anasia salama kwa ndo munenga mbesa yani te mwezi mazirwa meni inywe na ino nenga na mbesa lakini ebinde la yubika no oka mune kulewe jonde na balamo kwa kweke ambumba no ndi kuona na anizia no na boze media ani azia kibela juki ngimindo kemozala owane yani lakini ndizibe arongo alama kwendo mutumya na ndizi ni rugede ani mukwenda tiza kumwera rumwera kwa mazito ni gwa umonde na une no kumba dia maandamano ba Kibwezi town unaanza kuwa na 85% 15% ya alama onengwa mbesa ni mheshimiwa Twisi umonde tu amulea na mheshimiwa Uzwa Kitha Kibwezi eti undili na kitanda
aye kithende na wendi wa kwitha mwene kivilo wa bodaboda Kibwezi ndi wendi wake ne kuona atoima bodaboda mainengo ndaya na kuthukuma kwa muo. Dennis Mudhoka na kinu wako na nyatetia mweva akaunti ya Makueni kwitha maimu kitanundu wa kutetea aki si atoima bodaboda.
Ba Kibwezi nyendi tu wani chama ni tu wani chief general commander mundu wa mota omea bantu ninye nita wani mumbita kana mumbita yo omea nyene dia ni boku matetea na no zioni mamba mbatize kuma kwa chairman wa bodaboda mandu igithia chief general commander we bodaboda ba Makueni ni waka natiwa bodaboda power gwe kukulilia ome ma bodaboda shades ya kwa ba Makueni nina heka na tina nina heka na tina nyela na kulia niki bodaboda sia kolle kwake wa shades onethia ndiye motor na nyendie ndo akwika motor mota mutheno mwengeka na ndiye na kwega mota nundo meani mambamba jana atwika youth president kana chief general commander wa Kibwezi yune ka kutho wangale ningo wakale na njua reason ya kwenda kuwangale ni mwe governor zuone ndako kwa address ndekukia reason ni nemwe ome mako mombe ama diba hospitali makiya ibitu ambulance kodi magendo na ingi makiyo kwia ba ni kunama ni kwithi andu ma utebite 50 bu ndweza kuebwa
Valaka mbisi elienda tati kweka kulikile uthukumi wawe wa bodaboda mwene kivila mweu Richard Mulotha na kweli ya sekta A kwa kilungu kinene.
Twenda utongo imusio kindu chambe utenda uluzani wina ukweli nundu tiwa mubukole na njugu mundume athi ajawakilisha agenda zake na wakwata mbeza akithi kuyana muka na jujo nde jote leile na tazi atenda mundu wetu Richard uzu aketanza mayonde chikatina aketeka ndisikazi mandu maitu na mathina mambo boda
chambe ni amoma kwatania
ndio
maika atumike naye
yes
chakeli niti uthukuma na kila mutongo iwonde wasa kuiwe MCA MP governor women rep kwamba to kina serikali la hiyo kina nduma kwa makwate maendeleo chaka tatu Kibwezi ke tina boda sheds oile na tu exchange saidi wa 11 kwa unity umamba kwanza yoyote with the county government ndo hivi thukuma serikali la hiyo tukwate boda sheds kusongo uteka la emu nini ila kwa wende tu kuyo
Mutongo TV kuma Kibwezi kaunti ya Makueni nyenita wa mulei mulingam.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui nienda haimi kauntini hii kukumbatilia wemi wa kuongela lato mainene ya muthanyani wambe wa umbano wa serikali sia motio kelani devolution conference ulotwa iwe kauntini ya Homa Bay umwe wa memba wa kamiti muvyani wani makauntini ya Kitui sia mwe kati wa emiala mendhini wa umbano malasimika kosa mbeu sia sunflower vomwene ingi sia maembe mwongele lato kuma isio ninge iweta kana kaunti ni umbaniti kumakota mbuku ikidhiani maa ni ya ila kaunti nisu. Onesmus Chalo na maovo.
Timu wa kuangala sindu lato kuma kaunti ya Kitui ni wende na kuonya aeni sindu kivathukanyo ili itilangitu kuma kaunti ya Kitui meva maembe na mauta ma sunflower nthini wa umbano we 10 wa kaunti sionthe ula wende skulu ni we mwana wa Homa Bay kaunti ya Homa Bay.
Kosa maembe tukawa maembe kuma Kitui saa ingi ona twathi tukawa Makueni na Machakos na maembe asu pe bandu bala tuka tuimainda makikala nini tama kwenda kuwa ila itawa adera nibo yundi tumosa tuimasiwa tuimaslice na yindi tuimandika katika ila tusita polyton on dryers and wengi masita solar dryer wamino kausha maembe makika wa mrembo nituika ila itawa higher value addition na ndipo indi tusovasia mango jam kuma kwa mango flakes na products ingi taino ino ni libam ino isovetwe na mauta nevyama extractiwe from mango kernel yamina ku extractiwa mango kernel yote kwa mango mbata
kwa muthenya wa mbere timu ono akusia atandiria ainge na enenthi kuma kauntini ingi kuona tweka wa kuangala lato sindwili ithuka na metoke kuma kauntini ya Kitui. Atalamu ane maweta kana kukwatikana kwa maembe na sunflower kuma kwe aimi ma Kitui ni kutethesia kuolela atalamu akwetela maembe na sunflower kuma kauntini ingi na kuokelia uemi kwa kiwango cha yolo kauntini ya Kitui.
Sunflower litu sienda muno idie sunswitch lakini twenda tukisosi nondo tukisosi ya kundu kunini nondo kindu chambe wivyo vya mwini anaimete kindu ta kilo 5 kilo 10 na ito twenda in tons nipo isu ni challenge mwe nini sunswitch yetu ivis onando tukwata challenge kuna kula kwa manda nondo maembe ni seasonal.
Aina nandiki mamovoka vindani kala wafika kivandani cha serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui. Minister wa uemi serikali ni Dr. Stephen Mbaya Kimweleni wa kule ayemi kukwata mbao uemi wa sunflower no kana kukwata kana kwa materials kwa wingi na kutethesia atalamu ama kuangala lato kukwata materials alama kwenda vinda yonde.
Ayemi ma sunflower nendo muya ni muona babe na sunflower ma mino banda na ya vya presiwa mutazume ready kutuma kukanga ni ama pakiti toka na mutano kukanga lu na mauju ata kongo mudhia sunflower ina mondo masio na sunflower utumika ataliwa nguko na mondo mengi ko hanevo za bana nzia
ingeno amekethisa aimikana serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui ni kwenda na kunengana mbekwe aimi na mavundi semane maya matuku ava mana kosevya masoko na kana kukilia wemi kwe mwemu wa Kitui na kuveta ngochola kwa ivinda ya sonethe to wili tete enenthi
besi bitete mbua itatu bombe na biti makwaro mana ya maseo aibe kuna kwa telo weyu tukona makwenda molyo na itina miaka tatu bitete kwa molyo wewe Kitui na kila ngendo dhivya aimi maito nono tuketa kwa government ya Kitui mitezi ni kwa aimi kila governor eke Dr. Malombe kwenda kuangalia extension officers hivi na miano mamu training no moga kumuzima mutethesia athoko myama ngitazo no moga kumuzima mutethesia ubwa wimula musio so the government wenda to train aimi kana ithile na yongamie tende na kwivila tulongo bwa molo the katiko no bwa molo relief
televota blingwa movomo Tongo TV kuma kaunti ya Homa Bay Neta Onesmus Chalo
Ndukathiva asani tusiokithite na maovu angela tukumbanisi nthini wa mesa itu ya maovu ende ya kumia mawoni makonya maovu maito kwisila mutandao wa Facebook na wa YouTube na kwisila nambani ya utumani mukuvye ili itatokenda imwe itano.
Tene, kuyaila isi kuona usi munganu. Andu mabanda makesa uketha mbua hiyo kuo kwa wingi
ni maundu mebala tutonya kwikatwa kwata kiu cha kuimando
pe maundu maingi wa mbe ula wila isi pe tutila twenza wa moko
maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimi na mbua imwe kasila katwa sete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuika ile u ithimba ya imi
thina yu bawenda ne ku establish kana ciambo kwata lakini ona cia kwata yu ukaokethia ni cia twa miba sana kuma kwina thina muno
bumango ni cio ndu ndizo ile fiber ile ndizo ila uya yimba alicio na ile moyo muno yembe yake ile tawa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wiyo ukethia wala ile mwene weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple niweza ama yinu no thina moyo
ithi ala twikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda ilobia yoi petele ibinda ya ile kana tuithike nthini wa wimi wa kiumuthi tukuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutachonde bandu wa imwe ninyo
no kwata at least lump sum
ukethia kana kiu chathi na maana monza kana chethi na maana tatu ene
kimo
ndukiane
kimo without no tata mbese na
list ni maana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho
lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo wiani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usija ciendu ciakwa etha ni ng'ombe inengiwe liu nesa iya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi.
Wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndatika miongo ena sia wiyo winake Steven Mwema pa Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Mukamba ni wese uimane udhui na kwa uo ndo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wa mwi. Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nicho kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongoetie kwa witi mwithianu na wandawa siki ukunikili wa ki-science ni tuitama ukibadhukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia kwa mbatoni ndakame, kukosa bina wa kiume, mauma kikonde, asma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauangi. Komana na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chuma uikala wako mbelile matuku mna mumu wa nanatwe makiendo Sky Go Shops kuthengiana na Police Post kuthengiana na Total Petrol Station kungethanisia na Mumbuni Driving wakile matuku mna ile tuitala kuthengiana na Flavors Restaurant kati wa Total Petrol Station na Eastmart Supermarket wakatatu matuku na atatu matu stage kwa kinatwa Sako Booking Office kuthengiana na Mart Supermarket wakana matuku na anatu ikitui Muli Mall ngolobambe ubisi na miongo 5 na 4 kungethanisia na bengi wa Equity wakatano matuku na 5 tu Masaku Complex Inn kuthengiana na Rafi Supermarket kuthengiania na Cooperative Bank na wathandatu matuku na thandatu tu mutomo kwa Francis Yanda Mother Stage itina wa Frajan Supermarket kwa mauvombe ange tuthoke mobisi na maitu kana tuko na simu kwisela noti muonza ile emo noti kenda noti kana noti muonza na ina ile 55 kana tuandikie SMS kana WhatsApp kwisela noti muonza emo noti kenda noti nyanya. Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Nina odhocha ingi tuisonga na amenika na serikali niendeka kuthesia koti ulawamba tasi anga lama ya ndawa cia miondani na mbolea na kuvinyi ya aimi ainene ya matongolo umwe wa aimi Kennedy Mutungi ni wathuthi enendi na muno aimi lembetani ya ukamba kuosa na uito maundumani makwithi wa isio cia ukamba sina lato otonya usia itheliu na kumina mathina kautakati wa enendi Boni Mutisia na maovo.
Kennedy Mutungi alisekana muthanga wa icio cikiothoncia lembeta ukamba ni mwelu kwa nema na enendi maelito guthisia mithanga yo kana kule utumia kiugila kimuthiuluko nimo kwithwa nema ni usungi wa mathina maliu kana ucethi wa liu icio ni kivathukanyo
mbe kisio neki tuini cha Masaku twi Machakos County na climate cha Machakos County ni kisio kwa nema provided we mwene ni wetuma nema ni kwituma pa mwene tawa Suleiman Maundu na niwe mwene utwikithiti kana kapangithia mundu uke kaluwene
Nitukwitewe kionondu wo vetukanwa wathia na mavisa tuisonga na amenika na movia wa kulonga uima wa mimea na kumisiania na mitutu kefis ni siye mitutu muthemba wasio mbalutwa na ulauma wasio ni nthi ya Asia itino wa kuvuvanda wa meli imwe na ila inakuitemiyo potini ya Mombasa. Director moviani wo Theophilus Mutui yasekana itina wa kukwata livoti ni mavikie na kuvuvanda wa meli ni suna ila ya kuitemiyo itwete nthi ya Uganda meli ya wetwa kwitha yesilite nthi kivathukanyo kwisila poti iliisa kuvika potini ya Mombasa. Angelina Moseno kuelesi.
Mitutu ina ila ni muthemba wa simba lute na ila sina uma wa nthi ya Asia ni ciaweta kwithwa sie mwiso munene kwa mimea na itonya usukumi cia vanene ya mikukwata ngalama na wasio munene itino wa mimea yo kuvithukiwa.
We avoided a very serious disaster, biosecurity disaster, by intercepting a ship which had a pest, a very bad pest called Asian gypsy moth. This moth is not found in Kenya. but is found in Asia, Canada, New Zealand, and other countries.
Muvia uyu ni wawetekana ni wosi ya matambia mametuketi na kukwata livoti ya meli isu na ila yumete nthia Italy kwithiwa yina metutu isu.
The ship was carrying machinery and it was infested with this pest. So we are urging all our stakeholders that KEVIS has to inspect all containers, sea containers, coal, and every regulated articles, including used agricultural machineries like tractors and combine harvesters, to ensure that they do not contain pests or any other organisms which could be harmful to this Kenyan agriculture.
The damage that would have been caused to our agriculture sector. So when KEVIS is asking the different stakeholders to support the endeavor of cleaning of the vessels, of the containers, inspecting also those ships that are carrying old agricultural machinery, it is important for safeguarding the country. Without this, we could have our industry wiped by this foreign pest.
Meli ini atakwitho ya vikite nthini wa port ya Mombasa kwi matuku 29 mwaini wa Mwanza vala ya kuite miio itwaite nthi ya Uganda. Yumuvia uni umia witano kuyene yanda kivathukanyo wiva muvia uthukumi wa meli ni kukwatiania namo kwa kumia livoti kwitane kavindane kala mona metutu itakueleka ni kana kusia kuvithukiwa kwa mimea kuvalo cha uimi kana kwa nanga mawithi ululuko na utandithia.
This pest is known to cause a lot of damage to forestry and crops like maize, wheat, and so on. Had this pest gotten into this country, we would have witnessed monumental losses of agricultural produce in Kenya.
We are appealing to all those concerned, to all also the other agencies that are concerned, that we work in tandem so that by the end of the day, we assure the country, we assure our sector. As the country grows, the way Kenya is, we are leaders in many of the sectors, in avocado, in flowers. At times, even people either willing or unwilling may send these materials here and they may come and affect our production and lower our competitiveness in terms of the materials that we produce.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Yeah, there has been previous debates around the role of the Commission and the role of the National Police Service itself insofar as recruitment and sometimes payroll issues are concerned. I just want to say that we will always strike a balance in terms of what the Commission can do and what the National Police Service can do. Identification of able men and women to serve in National Police Service require certain level of expertise on the part of those who are doing so, and therefore we cannot wish away the role of the police officers themselves in terms of identification, scrutinizing, and hiring of police officers. We can also not wish away the role of the Commission as retaining overall oversight authority. So a balance can be struck where the Commission can put in place the policy framework, the qualification standards, and then the identification can be done by the NPS itself based on the directives that have been done by the National Police Service. We will not condone acts of incitement, especially by persons who are looking for votes. Sometimes they call themselves leaders. We're not going to condone incitement, especially when it involves inciting ethnic tension and ethnic fights. We welcome everybody to enjoy their constitutional right to choose the leaders they want to do, but we will not allow anyone to incite people along tribal lines. And I promise you We will take very stern action against anyone who is going to do so, and we believe that the judiciary will work with us to make sure that the issue is dealt with accordingly. Issue of child prostitution, trafficking in persons, those are very serious issues that greatly concern us. And the National Police Service issued a statement on the steps that we are going to take. But as I said, we are going to strengthen the DCI agency that is going to deal with human trafficking, including for sex and children, trafficking of children, and all cases of defilement, gender-based violence. We want to make sure that we strengthen that department next time we hire our officers. We hire new officers or recruit new officers. Other than those three things, I just wanted to say that other concerns related to corruption of public officers is going to be addressed in the Jukwaa la Usalama, and we are not going to condone any police officer, any chief, assistant chief, or any public officer who is going to take bribes to offer services, including during the upcoming recruitment of police officers. We are going to stand very firm against people who are going to take bribes in the process. We want to realign our public officers and to make sure that their work is properly done.
Junengerelia movo asunikana Minister Mubiani wasese wande Kipchumba Murkomen wale na movo makana mobia makao katikati wa movia wa NPSC na ula wa NPS nzeke siasa kana mevia hivi tunaka huko konya ungame wande visi ya maofisa mapolisi kindukila Minister Murkomen wale nacho haine na kavinane kala otongo so ya Jukwaa la Usalama kauntini ya Nakuru. Murkomen na waweta kana niwe ukadhacha mawendekethio kukonya ungame wa maofisa mapolisi mbungene iweta kana enawekwa tumevia eli ni kwithiwa na wiwa na Murkomen yase kana mavisa kwetikila teti la mekwenda kuyanisia mwendi mo kutumia mweka naye kolua nduthi mauni voto ikia ngithilo movo maitoke wione cha umundi ni kwenda kiwio cha kwa ila Teresia Mwende mawande thesia kunele movo kwanza ya meko nyenetoa Betty wa Mwanya Tiwanesa.